Greetings, pastors, teachers, deans, and other referral sources or agents from our member assistance program. My name is Dan Nominson. I direct our program, and the purpose of this quick video is to just share with you the response from Christian Family Solutions regarding the COVID-19 outbreak as it specifically relates to our member assistance programs. But first, I want to acknowledge the financial challenges that we're all going through and that specifically congregations may be going through right now. We know that MAP referrals may not be able to be made because of those challenges. But I also want to acknowledge that problems that existed before are just not going to go away. We know the need is there. The depression, the anxiety, the marital problems, the problems with children's behavior, that's just not likely going to leave or dissipate at a time of national emergency as people experience these direct impacts on their life. Good news. We now have an army of Christian counselors trained to provide services by video. Now, the numbers of people that we have available are over 100. That's right, we have over 100 people on our staff trained and ready to help. We've been providing services by video for over 12 years now, so this is nothing new. In fact, every month we have hundreds of hours of video-assisted counseling that we provide for our clients and members. But we've increased our capacity to serve even more. If your MAP members were being seen in person at one of our clinics, be assured that we have helped them move their appointment to video to continue their care. Now, another note of good news. In a number of states, such as Wisconsin, Michigan, Minnesota, Nebraska, Florida, North Dakota, and Idaho, we have counselors who are licensed so people can come to us directly apart from the congregation's member assistance program and pay us privately. Our usual private pay rate for video is $80 an hour. We've reduced that to $65 right now. Furthermore, we know that members are going through significant changes, including potentially loss of job or income. We will provide services on a sliding scale fee to reduce that out-of-pocket cost as much as they qualify for. Another note of good news, in those same states I listed before, because we have counselors licensed, we are in many insurance networks. Many insurance companies are providing coverage for telehealth now. Many are waiving copays. If they're not waiving copays, we will. We want your members to be served. Please hear that. Bottom line, if you're in one of those states and you have a member in need, send them to us. Don't worry about using MAP right now. We know the budget is tight. Members can pay us directly, or we will help them explore their insurance or using a sliding scale process. If you'd like to make a direct referral for a member, you can tell them just to go right to our website, ChristianFamilySolutions.org, click on Request an Appointment. Let me show you where that is real quick. On our website, ChristianFamilySolutions.org. First of all, you'll see some information and up-to-date response from Christian Family Solutions right here in this top banner. But if you have a member to refer, tell them to go here. Here's that big button at the top of every page of our website, Request an Appointment. When they hit that button, all they have to do is enter their information, submit it, and we will contact them to schedule their appointment by video. Now, before the coronavirus crisis, financial obstacles were the #1 reason people did not get mental health treatment. That was one of the reasons why we started MAP. Christian Family Solutions and the congregation would pool their resources together and remove that financial obstacle. We wanted them to get connected with a counselor who's WELS or ELS. Now, we pledge to continue to work with you to make sure that those financial obstacles can still be removed. If you have a member in need, remember, refer them. Send them over to us. If you're located in a congregation not in one of those states where I mentioned before, stay tuned, because a lot of states are beginning to lift those licensing restrictions, which would then allow members to meet with us and pay privately. You can most certainly continue to make a MAP referral, and we'll work with you on payment options or even delay it until the crisis is over. There's a lot of information out there that's, talking about coping with this changes, and I'm sure it's all good advice. But as we find ourselves in social isolation, what is really needed is relationship. I can read the top 10 things to do at home with kids. I can go to our website and learn the top 10 ways to cope. Top 5 stores that have toilet paper, for crying out loud. But when we're scared, when we're hurting, when we're angry, we benefit from a relationship with someone who will hear us, acknowledge us, empathize, understand. Just be present. We don't want to be alone in any of this. This is what Christian Family Solutions can provide. We can provide that connection, that relationship, and bring members the encouragement from God's word that is so needed right now. Can we hope that things get back to normal? Sure. But our hope is in the Lord. Our certainty in uncertain times comes from Him. God bless your ministry opportunities to the members you serve and the communities where you are, as you bring the message of the gospel with certainty. Thank you.